In this video, I'm going to show you how to force quit any program. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hold Command and Option and press Escape. Next, we should be on this window. I'm going to close Safari. So I'm going to highlight that, then press Force Quit. And we're going to click on it again. And I'm also going to close Proton. We're going to do the same thing. And I'm also going to close Evernote. We're also going to do the same thing. And that is how you force quit any program.
Hey guys, welcome. Follow us at Dog Potty Training Secret on Instagram for amazing content and tips and tricks on how to potty train your puppy anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Hit the bell button for the notifications. And thank you so much for watching.